Hello everyone, welcome to day 2 of speaking challenge. And what is the topic for day 2? The day 2 topic is what I am bad at. Okay, so actually what you are bad at. Let me know in the comment box, and what you have to do, you know very well that you have to just stop, pause the video and talk about something you are bad at. So, what am I bad at? Actually, I am average person, not bad at anything at all. I can dance, I can cook, I can even draw, but what am I bad at? I think I think I am bad at finding things. I never find anything. If I start finding things, I get so frustrated that I even leave out that thing that I don't want it anymore. I even leave that I don't want it anymore because I'm so bad at finding things. And I am very good at leaving things here and there and then forgetting that where I have just kept them. You can always see me finding one thing, my earbuds. I never find them anywhere. I don't know why this happens to me. I think it's only me, or do you also bad at finding things? But this is not the case with everyone. My sister is so good at finding things. She is a kind of savior for me. I always ask her, please find this for me, so that I can just escape from that situation of finding things which I usually didn't find ever. So this is all for today. The 1 minute speaking challenge have been just finished, and let me know your answer, that what you are bad at.